Lucy has a secret. Every morning she wakes up before the sun rises. Her small town is still asleep and quiet. But Lucy, she has a special job. Lucy is a baker. Her bakery is on the corner of Main Street. It smells sweet and warm. Every morning, Lucy bakes fresh bread and sweet pastries. Today, Lucy plans to make something new. She wants to surprise her customers with blueberry muffins. She remembers how much Mr. Green loves blueberries. Lucy puts on her apron and gets to work. She mixes flour, sugar, and butter in a big bowl. Then she adds fresh blueberries. The blueberries make the dough turn a little blue. It looks pretty. Lucy smiles. The sun starts to rise. Lucy opens the bakery. The bell on the door rings. Her first customer is Mrs. White. Mrs. White comes every day for a cup of coffee and a chat. "Good morning, Lucy," says Mrs. White. Lucy gives Mrs. White a warm muffin. Mrs. White takes a bite. "Delicious," she says, her eyes twinkling. Next, Mr. Green walks in. He looks happy. "I smell blueberries," he laughs. Lucy laughs too and hands him a muffin. Mr. Green is a tall man with a kind face. He always brings Lucy apples from his farm. The bakery fills with more people. Young and old, they come to enjoy Lucy's treats. Lucy loves seeing her friends every day. She thinks her bakery is not just for selling bread. It is a place where people can relax and talk. At the end of the day, Lucy feels tired but happy. She cleans the bakery and puts away her tools. The sun sets outside, painting the sky with orange and pink. Lucy locks the door and walks home. When Lucy arrives home, her cat Whiskers waits at the door. Lucy picks him up and cuddles him. She eats a simple dinner and thinks about tomorrow. She wonders what new treat she can make next. As Lucy falls asleep, she feels grateful. She loves her life, her friends, and her little bakery. She smiles, knowing that tomorrow is another day filled with fresh bread, warm muffins, and friendly faces.